Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD, CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc for 10th May. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Swiss franc, and as you can see, market faced strong selling pressure from above, and as a result market came down and settled at 0.9002. so what should be a strategy on Monday? Okay, at first I would like to take you to the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the chart of the big pairs, and on the weekly chart also we can see that market is in downtrend. Okay, market is in downtrend for more than 1 month, and this week market has form a big red candle with price rejection from above. So in a scenario like this, generally we see that the selling pressure continues, and there's a good amount of possibility that you'll be getting opportunities to make money by shorting the market. Okay, so overall the market is towards the downside, so it will be very foolish of us and it will be very risky if you buy USD CHF right now. So in a market like this, you should only be looking for shorting opportunity. The only buying level for market on the weekly chart is this level. Okay, and we can see that there is a huge gap. Okay, huge gap. So as of now, there is no prominent support for the market on the weekly chart. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame, our beloved 4 hours time frame, and see. I have zoomed out the chart and you can see that market is in downtrend. Okay, market is in serious downtrend. Okay, and if you're planning to buy USD CHF and thinking that okay, market has come down and that market will reverse now and I'll be making money, then you may make money 1 or 2 times, but overall you will be in deep trouble. You will always be losing money. Always try to stay with the trend. We have checked the weekly chart. It is telling us clearly that market is in downtrend. We are looking at the 4 hours time frame and we can easily see that there is no support on the market. Therefore, we should only be looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so what should be our strategy then? You can see that market is in downtrend, and it is whenever it is trying to go up, it is getting resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, so 50 moving average is acting as a resistance for the market. It is not allowing the market to go up. So and the stochastic RSI here is also indicating that market is heavily oversold. Okay, so when market will be opening, on Monday, you should not short the market right away, because see, market is in oversold zone right now. It will be going up to take rest. So you should wait for the market to go up. Okay, wait for the market to go up, and when it will hit the 50 moving average again, okay, then observe the market, observe the price. If you see that it is being rejected from above again, if you see that 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, okay, then you can short the market. And how you'll know? You will know by seeing red candles like this, okay, or shooting star pattern like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, okay, you can short the market. But this is not the ideal position to short the market right now, because if you short the market here right now, then your stop loss will be here, and this will be a very big risk. And as I always say, you should not compromise with the discipline. Okay, and always find the area of value. Market is in downtrend, you'll be looking for shorting opportunity, so your area of value will always be near the resistance. Short the market always just below the resistance, and here in this case the resistance is the 50 moving average. Therefore, wait for the market to go up. When it will be turning from the 50 moving average, short term market. That is your ideal position to short term market. It is your hard earned money, so you should not risk your hard earned money. Okay, so this is the only ideal position to short term market. Okay, and our best position or best trading opportunity in US dollar Swiss franc as of now. Hopefully you've understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again.